You're asked to sketch a function here that is in standard form. So my first step is actually going to be to find the axis of symmetry so we can help find the vertex. So axis of symmetry is the negative b value, which is -8, so it actually becomes +8, over 2a, and then a is just 1 in this case. So our axis of symmetry is when x is equal to 4. So what we can do is we can actually plug that in to find our vertex, but remember the axis of symmetry here just means that that is going to be the middle of our parabola. So in this case here, if we're plugging in x equals 4 into our equation, this is what it's going to look like. We got 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 13. So 4 squared is 16 minus 32 plus 13. 16 minus 32 is -16, plus 13 is -3. So when we plug in 4, we get -3, which is our vertex. And because this term here is positive, we are going to have a U-shaped parabola. It's not going to be upside down. Now what we can do here is we could plug in the y-intercept here, but it's not really going to help us because our graph, our scale here, really what would do is, when x is 0, y is going to be 13, and that goes way up off our graph here. So instead, we're going to go ahead and take steps to find 4 points. What I mean by that is we're going to use this term again, and that's going to tell us if we're moving 1 step over. I'm just going to plug 1 into that x value, which gives me 1, +1. So if I go 1 step over, I'm going to go up 1 as well. If I go 1 step over, I'm going to go up 1. If I'm looking for 2 steps over, I'm going to plug in 2 to that x value. I'm going to go 1, 2, and I'm going to move up 4 because that's what 2 squared is equal to. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I go 2 steps over, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that gives me my 4 points, which helps me graph my parabola.